Hello, this is Albina Manning, and today we'll make a beaded tassel. We will use seed beads number 11, beading thread, beading needle, one eye pin, a large bead, and bead cap that may be optional. Attach your thread to the eye pin, making a double knot. Now you have to pick up the seed beads. This is the way I'm picking up beads from the pile. You may need about 2.5 inches of, I'll call it, main line of beads. This is a main line of beads, 2.5 inch long. Now we will skip the last bead, so I moved it and go back through 7 beads and pull the thread. Repeat the same step. We will pick up 8 beads, skip the last bead, and go back through 7. Now we're not only coming back through 7, we also pick up next 2 beads from the main line and then pull the thread. Now let's make the third needle of the tassel. Pick up 8 beads, skip 1, go back through 7 and 2 from the main line, like this. So we're going back through 9 beads total, and 1 is loose beads at the end. Keep doing this until you finish your first branch. So then when we're almost done, go back through the last 2 or 3 beads, it depends how many you have left, and through the whole of the eye pin. And repeat the same step, make second branch, make 3 or 4 branches. Now we will slide the large bead on the eye pin, put cap if we need it, and make a loop on the end. If you have a large eye pin, you may use a wrap loop. Now you can put a chain through and wear it as a necklace, put on your purse, or make earrings using the same technique. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.